Route 197 between Barnardsville, I think, and Pensacola. Super fun road. Lots and lots of really steep switchbacks. Gravel on that road right through there for some reason. It's right about now you realize how truly good this road is. Then you start arguing with yourself whether you want to try to be a hooligan or try to be polite to the people that live here. They probably have to hear motorcycles going by all day long. Trying to strike a balance between hooligan and polite. So not bouncing off the rev limiter. Still going. We get up here and it basically turns to gravel with no warning after another bit of this. I was kind of surprised I saw those Harleys coming back the other way. I wonder if they were on the dirt road or if they just rode up here and turned around. With Harleys, you can never really tell. I know a lot of people like to joke about it, but you meet some super hardcore riders on Harleys occasionally. Traction control's going crazy for some reason. What's the sign say? There's a lot of gravel right there. Hawk's Nest. Welcome to Hawk's Nest. Thanks for the welcome. Glad to be here. This is a busy little road. Come on, traction control, let go of it. Or gravel. you all can see this little thing flashing on the dash. It's the traction control kicking on way too aggressively for some reason. I think it has something to do with, for some reason, the bike has forgotten how to keep up with what gear it's in. So I think it's affecting the traction control. I notice it's way more aggressive than it normally is. Either that or TK70 rock style on the back just doesn't like what I'm doing to it. One of the two. Little fella walking around with the chainsaw. Oop, oop. There's the dirt. Alright, good ride though, right? All kinds of fun. Thanks.